What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Thank you for joining me tonight. I just almost put my Ryobi batteries in my refrigerator. Tonight we will be talking about the oldest socket kit I have that I bought. They've held up pretty well for me, but we'll go over that. And a new one that I bought that I think is going to be a real winner. It's pretty inexpensive. I'll link them both down in the description on Amazon. They're both still for sale. And let's check these kits out. So starting out, we have my socket set. I labeled it. It's Neiko. I believe my buddy Tools and Trash has the same kit, but his comes in a red flavor case. Mine's a gray. I don't know why. I've always seen it in red. So here you go. You'll see a lot of rust. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't gotten a lot of use. They're just rusting out, but some of them have been used pretty well. They are kind of like both standard and metrics, like 3/4 and 19. It's both. So on the socket itself, it'll say 3/4 and does not say 19 on there, but it says 19 there in parentheses. And then you go up to here. It's a 8mm or 5/16. So they kind of got that in there. Anyways, it comes with this little 1/2" extension. And then you got the 3/8 extension. These are supposed to be impact rated, I'm pretty sure. I use them on my impact. Here's a 1/2" to 3/8 adapter, and it has short and deep sockets. You have 3/4, goes up to 1 1/4 -32mm. They are 6-point sockets. Let's see one here. This one's been used pretty good. Let me get a little bit of a light here so we get into detail, but you know, I don't clean them out or anything, but the one thing I have noticed as they get older, they're still holding up and going on, but you can see the back is just wearing out a little bit on these. You can see it kind of like chipping away. I have to see what date I bought these. Here's another one. This is your 19mm. I can definitely clean these out, but again, this one's not too bad for the use it's got. You know, ones that I've used pretty much all of them, and I bought this because I forget what I was working on. It was one of my lawnmowers or something, but I was like, wow, you know, there's a bunch of sockets in here. And to be honest with you, like, you know, the name's rubbing off on some of them, but what they are is stamped in. So that's a nice feature. They're not laser etched on or anything. Stamped in 9mm. So they've held up very well. You know, I've beat on them, done a lot of things, and they keep going. Here's another good inside. The insides are holding up well. They have a pretty nice grabbing design there. I've never had them slip or anything. Again, it's a great set and it goes up very big, and I bought this one. And then I bought this XDovet. I bought this recently. I thought it was the same type of kit. If you work construction and stuff, like, one thing I use the other kit for is like lag bolts and stuff. This kit just doesn't go up to the same size, but it's still a nice kit. So you have deeps and shallows. So you have 8 to 22 no skips on both of these sets, and then up here you have 5/16 to 3/4, and it just runs the line up the middle here. Again, these aren't the best of quality, okay? But they're doing their job. They're holding up well. I like the Neiko kit a little more. But these are both etched and stamped. Trying to find one of these. I haven't really used this kit that much. I've used the 21 millimeter, maybe the 10. No, not even touched the 10. That's a virgin in here. I mean, they're touched, but they're just not well used. It does come with a nice 1/4 inch adapter for, you know, just a regular impact driver. Then you have a 3/8 6-inch extension, 3/8 3-inch extension, a 1/2 to 3/8, and then it does come with a 3/8 wobble socket there. And they are impact rated. Pretty inexpensive kit, but again, you know, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, but I bought it for a certain purpose, and it's still serving me well. I'm glad I have them. They're getting their use here and there for right now, but XDovet, it's a good quality feeling socket. Same with the Neiko. When I first started with them, I was a little unsure about them on the impact, but they've been holding up well. So again, I'll link those in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.